Well, I just got off the air on Newsmax and wanted to hop onto the YouTube channel for just a moment and talk about what happened today in New York City. I have to tell you, I was prepared for what was going to happen, but even still, there is a visceral sense of anger and frustration and righteous indignation, and I suspect that many of you feel the same way. Now, we're going to talk more about this on the show, on Friday's national radio show. But I wanted to share a few thoughts with you as we sort of work through what just happened with President Trump, found guilty on all 34 counts. Folks, you need to understand this is an absolute travesty. This is a great injustice, and what has happened against President Trump is criminal. We're talking about a case that the Federal Elections Commission investigated and took a pass. We're looking at a case the Justice Department looked at and took a pass. Even the previous Democrat district attorney in New York City, a guy by the name of Cyrus Vance, he investigated this and even he took a pass. Yet it was Alvin Bragg, another Democrat who ran for office on a promise to get Donald Trump. He's the guy that ultimately took up this sham kangaroo court of a case. This is absolutely appalling, and you have every right to be enraged right now. But we also have to be sure that we engage in peaceful protest. We are not like the Democrats. We don't burn things down. That being said, we need to be praying for our president right now, and we need to be praying for his safety. Folks, I think it's pretty clear, based on the fact that President Trump's donation website shut down because of the massive amount of traffic. I think the Democrats understand what is about to happen here. In reality, we are dealing with a situation where President Trump will more than likely win re-election in a landslide. I have no doubt about that. So the Democrats are going to try everything they can to stop President Trump. And honestly, I wouldn't put it past them to actually try and physically harm our president. So we need to pray a hedge of protection around President Trump in the coming days and the weeks, and also pray for his family. But I want you to understand something else. If they can do this to President Trump, they will do it to all the rest of us. No one is safe in this country anymore. We have turned down a very dark and dangerous path. And we've already seen some indication of how the Democrats plan on ruling. We have seen in the past year the Justice Department, the FBI infiltrating Roman Catholic churches in the Richmond area and also in other parishes around the nation. We have seen the FBI targeting moms and dads who raise concerns at school board meetings. We have seen the FBI target pro-lifers. Do you realize that pro-lifers are serving more time in prison for praying outside abortion clinics than some murderers are in this country? And we have also seen the FBI targeting law-abiding gun owners. So the concern here, folks, is that if they're coming after Trump, you better believe they're going to be coming after the rest of us. So it's going to be a long election cycle, and we're going to get through it together. That's what we do on the radio show every day. We give you guys an opportunity to vent, to share your concerns. But I have to tell you that I share your anger right now over what they have done to our president. All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up. Be sure to leave your comments below. Do you still support President Trump? Does he still have your vote? Leave your comments just below. I'll be reading them through the evening. And folks, hang in there. And as we say on the radio show, you be good, America.